Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Welcome to my launch weekend videos for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. I just got my iPhone 12 Pro in Pacific Blue here, very excited, but I don't have a screen protector on it right now, and that's making me feel very nervous. Fortunately, the folks at Techmatte sent me their new OneTouch tempered glass screen protector. This is supposed to have a super easy installer and go on with OneTouch, and not only does it come with one installer, it comes with two installers and two screen protectors, all for quite a reasonable price. So let's go ahead and get this installed on my iPhone 12 Pro and check out the results. Looking at the contents of the box, we have our installation guide, and then we have two sets of installation accessories and two screen protectors in their little installers. So it's two complete sets of everything except for the installation guide, and I don't really think you need two of those. Looking at the contents of our installation pack, we have a nice soft microfiber cloth. We have info on how to unlock your lifetime warranty. We also have a large number of dust removal stickers, a big one and several small ones. These are really invaluable for a successful screen protector install. And then we have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. Starting off with a clean screen is essential for a successful screen protector install, and ordinarily I would definitely use the wet wipe and dry wipe to clean my screen. However, I just unboxed my iPhone 12 Pro. It's brand new and really clean, so I'm going to skip this step and just use the microfiber cloth and dust removal stickers to clean my screen. So looking at our installer system, this looks pretty robust. So we have a plastic tray that you need to invert and place on top of your phone. Before you do that, obviously you're going to need to expose the adhesive. So you've got a plastic tab here. You're going to peel this off to expose the adhesive. Note the part that says top and bottom is over here. This is the top. Definitely want to put the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom. And then press down gently and the screen protector should adhere. Once your screen is perfectly clean, grab the plastic tab at the top and pull in a downward and not outward motion to expose the adhesive. Place the installer down over the top of the phone. Make sure that you put the top section on the top. Press it gently downwards and then press gently at the bottom, and then it should adhere across the screen. Once the screen protector looks like it's finished adhering to the screen, you can gently remove the installer. Looking at the results of our install, as you can see, we have an absolutely perfect alignment on here, and this is super thin. It's an extremely thin screen protector. Installation was easy, although I did feel a little bit nervous with the installer because it was a hard plastic and I was worried that it might scratch the sides of my phone. It didn't. Everything was fine, but it did make me feel just a bit nervous. Indeed, the installation was a one-touch procedure. Everything went well. I did end up with a tiny piece of dust stuck down over here, so I had to use the dust removal stickers to remove the dust, and that worked fine, but peeling up the screen, I did end up messing up the adhesive very slightly up here in the corner. I'm hoping that this is going to stick down, but it might not stick down over time. It might just stay that way. This does come with a 2-pack, so I could just take this up and repeat the whole process with the second screen protector. These are only $11.99 currently for a 2-pack of screen protectors, so they are very reasonably priced. Overall, I was really pleased with the install on here. I think this looks great on my phone and should provide excellent scratch protection. This has 9H hardness, and overall I think everything just looks great. Looking at the optical clarity, you can see everything looks absolutely fantastic on here. Super bright, super beautiful. It's very responsive. There's no issues with haptic touch or anything like that. I think that the oleophobic coating seems to be working great. I'm not seeing this pick up fingerprints, and overall I think that it seems like just a lovely screen protector. Honestly, typically I review much higher end screen protectors, so I really don't know how well this is going to last over time. It seems great so far, and hopefully it's going to last well, but at $11.99 for a 2-pack. You really can't complain, and I do love the fact that this comes with such an easy installer. So overall, I would say that there is a lot to love with the OneTouch screen protector by Techmatte. It's very easy to install, you get great results, and it's really reasonably priced. Again, we've been looking at the OneTouch screen protector by Techmatte for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. This product is available directly from Techmatte as well as from Amazon, and it retails for $11.99 for a 2-pack of screen protectors. Many thanks to the kind folks at Techmatte for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about this product, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and this is the OneTouch screen protector for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro by Techmatte. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.